I sold this Sony DVD VCR combo pack this weekend, and I wanted to show you guys how to pack it because not only is this a good packing video, but this is a good BOLO to look out for. A BOLO is be on the lookout for. It has good sell-through rate. This has over 100% sell-through rate. It's a Sony DVD VCR combo pack. You definitely want to be looking out for these. Always check the model numbers. Some do better than others, but this one did have over 100% sell-through rate. At the time that I found it at the thrift, I couldn't believe it was still there, and I got this one for $15 and 25% off, so I think it was like $11.25 or something like that. But yeah, really good profit margins. I'm so glad. And this sold in less than an hour after I listed it. While I went off to do my shipping for the day, I kept getting offers. I kept shooting back 87, and then it ended up selling for the full price to the same person. It was so funny in their little, here's their little buyer note. I just think it's so funny that they started with 30, I shot back 87, then they shot back 50, I shot back 87, then they shot back 80, and I was about to take that, but I was like, I just listed this, I'm gonna try to get my full money. I'm already listing it just a little bit lower than what it's going for. So then I shot back 80 at 87, and then he declined it, and then like 5 minutes later he bought it and then put in that note. So I just thought it was funny. eBay buyers are funny. I still got my full profit, and he got his item. So now we're gonna pack this up and ship it together. So first you gotta find the right box. I am running low on these crazy weird size boxes, so I definitely gotta go and scour for some more. You can use the Free Stuff Alerts app, Facebook Marketplace. People are always posting moving boxes and like stuff like that. Ask your neighbors. So yeah, I definitely have to have the right box to ship this. So we're gonna start off by getting this ready to go. I try to get all my boxes as free as possible. I'll go to the dollar store. I'll ask friends. I'll ask family. I save all my boxes from orders. So yeah, just try to get all your boxes as free as possible. You can buy some, but I always try to find boxes for free. So now that the box is ready, I'm gonna start getting the package ready. I like to start with 4 squares or 4 feet of bubble wrap. And then I'll just wrap it. Sometimes I'll wrap the cords separately with like a little wrap, which is what I might do with this one because they're getting a little bulky. So now I'm gonna go around again. And we're just gonna wrap it again, but in the opposite direction. This is basically what we got going on right now. I'm gonna wrap the other sides, obviously, and then we might do another little round, but then it should be nice and sturdy to be delivered to our customer. This is going FedEx, so I'm trying to be a little bit more careful because FedEx has a little bit of a reputation of throwing around items. So I'm gonna wrap it just a little bit more, keep it a little bit safer. It's looking pretty good now. I'm gonna just go around it again, but this is looking pretty good to me. So I'm going to give the front just a little bit more padding, and then we should be good to go. And I'm liking how that is looking. It is nice and wrapped on all sides. I maybe did a little too much, but it's going FedEx, so I just wanted to be a little bit more cautious. And now we're just going to drop this in here, obviously filling the voids with some packing paper. But as you can tell, this closes very well. And even it passes basically the shake test. I just got to fill those voids. There are many things you can use to fill the voids: packing paper, newspaper. You just want to make sure that it's like nice and sturdy on the edges. You can even use these air bubbles that you get from Amazon orders as well. Before we seal it up, no movement, so it passes that beautiful shake test. And then we're just gonna throw in our little thank you note in there, and it's good to go. Just like that, it's ready and good to go. I'm just gonna slap that FedEx label on there, and then we're good to go. So if you guys have any questions about how I ship this, about this bolo, let me know in the comments, and I'll be glad to answer it for you. Love you guys.